Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x over sin x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to change sin x into e to the power of is minus e to the power of negative is over 2i. So we put this one in the sin x and you will get about e to the power of is minus e to the power of negative is, and we have 2i in here. Later that we put 2i outside because that is about the number. Next we multiply with e to the power of is in here on numerator and denominator. So we got about e to the power of is, and this one we change to 2is. This one we change for number 1. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to e to the power of is. We need to find the value of s in here. So we use about ln of u equal to ln of e to the power of is. This is about natural law, and we got about is. So we change s into ln of u divided by I. Next we do first derivative in this equation here, and you got about du equal to I e to the power of is ds. And now we need to change the value in here. We put I in here. This one you change for u square. S we change for this one because we have I, so we simplify with I in here. This one we change for du over I, so we got I in here, and this one we change for du. Next we multiply with I in here, so you got about I square in here. I square is changed to negative number 1, so you got about negative 2i. Next we have the negative in here. We can put 1 minus u square in here. This one we can put about 1 minus u multiply 1 plus u. So we borrow number 2 in here, and we put about 1 minus u plus 1 plus u, because 1 plus 1 is about number 2 in here. Negative of u, positive of u, they will cancel together. And now we can create 2 integrals in here. The first one 1 minus u divide 1 minus u, and now you will get about ln of u over 1 plus u du. And the second one, that's about ln of u over, we have 1 plus u divide 1 plus u, you will get about 1 minus u du. Now let's consider about the first integral in here. We can use about integration by parts. So we have t equal to ln of u. So you got about dt equal to du over u. dv we got about du over 1 plus u. So you got about v equal to ln of 1 plus u in here. So we got about the answer of this one. T multiplied with v, so you got about ln of u multiplied with ln of 1 plus u. And we have the negative. The integral of this one over this one. Next, about this integral in here, we can change to the Lagrangian. So that should be about negative Li number 2, and we have the negative u, and we move about c. Negative, negative, we go about positive. Go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about t equal to 1 minus u. So we got about u equal to 1 minus t. And we do first the derivative of this one. So you got about dt equal to negative du. So we put t in here. Or we put u equal 1 minus t in here. 1 minus u we change for t. Du we change for negative dt in here. For this one, we can get the final answer about the Lagrangian, and that should be about Li2 t. About t, we need to change back for 1 minus u. After we calculate everything, now we combine the answer. We combine with this one and this one. Now we just change u back to this one. This one you will go about is, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.